Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Unacademy Cat Live Daily, guys. Just waiting for some more students to jump in. Yes, today I am doing a lesson in grammar, guys. This is the 8th lesson in grammar, and we are doing error identification. Yes, every possibility these kind of questions can come in the examination. So let us train for grammar in by doing some exercises instead of just learning the rules. Let us look at the exercises and I will tell you what is the rule for each error that comes up in the exam. Okay guys, so let us get started. My name is Harpreet Kaur Dodi. I've done my master's in English literature. I have 16 years of teaching experience, guys. That is really a long span of time. 16 years I have trained many students and helped them achieve 100 percentile. I have trained students for the exam in CAT, MAT, SAT, SNAP, PGCET, Banking, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT, and TOEFL. Yes, Arvind, I start at 9:30 now. Yes, Sumit, good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, Prince. Yes, jaldi, all of you please join in. I'm going to start an interesting class in error identification in grammar. Yes, and the agenda today is to pick errors which are based upon the rules of grammar. Please download the Telegram app livedaily.me/chat and join the Academy chat, guys. Yes, you can resolve all your issues and ask questions on the Telegram app. Yes, the CAT subscription is the best in the industry. It is just 1,458, guys. The most reasonable that you can find, 1,458 for 12 months. Guys, if you're looking for a 1 month subscription, it is just 3,500 and we just had 2 months for the CAT examination. It will still be worth your while if you pay this amount. You will not regret it. It will be your money's worth. We will guide you to be able to reach your dream destination, and that is the best college that you can look at. Yes guys, there is also an EMI which is available. So guys, I think you should look at registering at least for this 3 months program or 1 month program, so that you are able to get to the goal of the CAT examination. Yes, use my coupon code CORE10. You will get a further 10% discount on this amount also, guys. So it's going to be something of great value to you guys. Yes, it's a value added option. Yes, so please go use my coupon code CORE10. So error identification, simplified grammar. I have tried to simplify grammar here. We will correct sentences, guys, and I will tell you what is the rule and why did we correct the sentence the way we are correcting it. And we will also know how to be able to speak well, to speak effectively, to speak correctly. Good morning, Mukul. Good morning, Amrita. Yes, all those students who are with me, I'm waiting for some more students to join in quickly. Yes, guys. Okay, so let us go into the questions, guys, directly. Each of the questions is presenting a sentence, part of all of which is underlined. Beneath the sentence, you will find different ways of phrasing the underlined part. The first sentence, the first option, guys, option A is a repetition of the original sentence. So if option A is correct, you can mark the answer. That means the original sentence is correct. Good morning, Sakshi. How are you? Follow the requirements of standard written English to choose your answer. Pay attention to grammar, word choice, and sentence correction. Collect construction. Select the answer that produces the most effective sentence. Your answer should make the sentence clear, exact, and free of grammatical error. It should also minimize awkwardness, ambiguity, and redundancy. So the structure of the sentence should not be awkward. Ambiguous means it should not give two meanings and it should not use too many words. That is known as redundancy. So apart from looking at grammatical errors, you will also look for an option which is not awkward, ambiguous, and redundant, guys. Okay? Okay, so good morning, Pavan, Mr. RJ. Yes, all those students who are with me, guys, waiting for some more students to jump in. We are doing an interesting class here and we just have 15 questions. Should not take us long to answer these questions. So I'm going to go into the first slide, guys. Okay, so not only are we going to eliminate options and explain why is the answer, I will also tell you what is the rule. Yes, we need to know what are the rules, right? So the error will be in the underlined part. and the options are given to you. You have to pick the best one. So can you read and tell me which is the correct answer, guys? Good morning, Saurav. Yes, read the sentence and read the options and tell me which is the best one. I'm doing good, Saurav. What about you? Thank you for inquiring. Good morning, Soumya. Yes, guys, now look at the option. The rule here, hi Costa, good morning. So the rule here is going to relate where do I use that and where do I use which. Right, you have to understand these are known as relative pronouns, and under my lesson on relative pronouns, guys, I have explained to you where do you use that and where do you use which, right? Yes. Yes, guys, what is the answer? Yes, guys, Mukul is sure E is the answer. Okay, so in A, let us eliminate options. We are looking at by avoiding is incorrect here, right? Which does not fit. Now, what is the difference between the use of that and which? That is used in a defining clause, right, guys? That is used in a defining clause, and which is used in a non-defining clause. That is used for defining clause, which is used for non-defining clause. So I will give you two sentences here. If I tell you the purse which is red in color has rupees 90. Now what is coming within parenthesis is non-defining. So when you use commas, you will use which, and if the information that is coming here is not vital to the sentence, the purse has 90 rupees is complete. Which is red in color is not important, guys. So that is where you use which. But if I am trying to tell you the dog that chased the cat is mine, then that is a defining clause. So that is why by avoiding is incorrect, which is incorrect because whatever is coming here is defining. So we'll eliminate which. This meant that the government had to take certain steps, does not fit here. So this sentence itself is wrong. We will eliminate this option. Yes, guys. So the answer will be E. Correct. Yes, Sushant, it cannot be D. Yes, that Egypt hopes will not only attract more visitors but also avoid some. Yes, so answer here we have to choose between C and E. C is better. Why? Because not only in attracting is incorrect. So C is the answer, guys. Good morning, Jatin. So are you satisfied with this one? This sentence has come from another. Yes, yes, C is the answer, guys. Here not only help in attracting more visitors, will not only attract more visitors but also avoid some. The use of not only but also is correct, guys. Yes, the use of not only but also, guys, is correct here. So therefore, we'll go with C. C is the correct answer. Correct, Prince. Prince, you're giving me the correct answer. Pawan also giving me correct answer. Yes, guys. Okay, let's go to the next one. Archaeologists and forensic experts are believed to have identified the skeleton of Cleopatra's younger sister, murdered more than 200 years ago on the orders of the Egyptian queen. Yes. Which one is the correct sentence? Very interesting one, guys. We have a very interesting one. Yes, so you eliminate options just like the way I am eliminating options. You have to read all the options. एक एक करके eliminate करके बताओ which one is the correct one. Yes, I'm waiting for some more students to give me the correct answer. Yes, someone is saying D, someone is saying C. Understand the meaning of the sentence also, guys. Understand the meaning of the sentence. Correct. Yes, Apeksha giving me correct answer. Sheldon also giving me correct answer. Mr. Raj, Pawan. Yes, guys. So archaeologists and experts are believed to have. They are believed to have, right? Not that they are of the belief that they identified. They cannot be of the belief that they identified. They are believed to have. That means they believe that they have identified the younger sister. So therefore, A is without an error. Are believed of having is incorrect. That they are is incorrect. Have been believed to have is incorrect tense, guys. These are all having incorrect tense, and this is changing the meaning itself, B. So therefore, the answer is A. Yes, Prince. So the original sentence is the correct sentence. The original sentence is a repetition of this. So if the sentence is correct, you mark A as the answer. Okay, guys? Okay. So I'm going to go to the next sentence. Isn't it interesting? Yes, short sentences here, guys. Let me see you mark the answer. Unlike the United States, laws in India limit the power of employer to hire and fire at will. Yes, which what is the one which will match? Unlike the United States, laws in India limit the power of employer to hire and fire at will. Where is the use of having? Believed of having, you can't say, right? Sumit, you cannot say are believed of having. They are believed to have, you say. You don't say believed of having. This is incorrect grammar itself. Incorrect structure. Right? Yes. Okay. Yes, so it is awkward. As I told you, it is awkward. Yes, correct. Mr. Raj giving me, Mr. RJ giving me correct answer. So here the original sentence is comparing United States to the laws in India. You have to compare the laws of the United States with the laws in India, right? So unlike the United States is wrong, unlike those of. Can you say those of? Yes, the correct one is D. Unlike in the United States, the laws in India. So then it's comparing the laws of the United States with the laws of India. Those in is also incorrect. As contrasted with is incorrect. Yes, he's not contrasting them. not necessarily contrasting them, because he is already using unlike, and unlike is not incorrect. So unless the sentence, the word is incorrect, you do not replace it with another word. Yes, Kavita, if you are using E, it cannot be E because unlike is not incorrect. Don't replace a word unless it is incorrect. Okay? Okay, so answer is D. Everyone giving me correct answer. Kaustav, Shivani, Sakshi, Chandan Prasad. Very good, guys. So let me go to the next sentence. Internet pirates are moving away from safe havens such as Sweden to new territories that include China and Ukraine in an effort to try avoiding prosecution for illegal file sharing, according to experts. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, guys, waiting for the answer to come from you. In an effort to try avoiding prosecution does not make sense, right? Yes, correct, guys, giving me correct answer. Kaustav giving me the correct answer. As they try to avoid getting, you try to avoid getting prosecuted. No, Preeti Raj also giving me correct answer, guys. Yes, Saurav giving me correct answer. As they try to avoid prosecution for illegal file sharing, according to the expert. Even this is incorrect. To avoid getting. In order to does not make sense here. Therefore, the answer is C, guys. Sheldon, it is not D. As they try to avoid getting is incorrect. As they try to avoid getting prosecuted for illegal file sharing is incorrect. So when you're using the to infinitive, don't use the ing. Yes, so guys, there is a rule in parallelism. This is the rule of parallelism. So I say they went swimming, running, jogging, or they went to swim, to run, to jog. So I don't combine the to infinitive with the ing form. That is known as the rule of parallelism. Now A, B, D and E are awkward. Yes, in an effort to try avoiding prosecution, you don't say to try avoiding. In an effort to avoid prosecution, you say. Why will you say to try avoiding prosecution, Mukul? Right? So this is simple, right? In as they try to avoid prosecution. Why will you say try avoiding prosecution? The ing here is incorrect. Yes. Okay, so we speak like that and these sentences look correct to us, but the answer here is C. This is an awkward structure. Okay. Yes, guys, I'm going to go to the next sentence. This is a rather long sentence. We will come back to this if necessary. We'll go to the sixth one. Christianity considered wine as an essential for its ritual and took it wherever it went, even to countries such as England where it had never been before. Yes, yes, correct this one, guys. Underlying word is saying, yes, it can be incorrect also, right, Mukul? Because in an effort to try is redundant. You don't make an effort to try is redundant. That is why we are eliminating this. You don't need to make an effort to try. Either you make an effort or you try, right? So that's why it is something which is redundant. This is an error of redundancy. Yes, I can understand what you're trying to say, but even if you say in an effort to try, avoiding prosecution is incorrect. Okay? Yes, let us go to sentence number 6. Christianity considered wine as an essential for its rituals and took it wherever it went, even to the countries such as England where it had never been before. Yeah. Yes. Arvind, it is not C. It is not C or it's not E, guys. Had been taking is a tense error. It is an error of the tense. Christianity considers wine. Yes, guys. No, no, no. No one is Christianity considers wine to be. To be is not necessary, guys. Correct. Amruta giving me the correct answer. Christianity considered wine an essential. Something is essential. Not that to be essential. You don't say to be essential. So Christianity considered wine as an essential is also not necessary. Christianity considered wine an essential for rituals and took it. Right, Sheldon, correct. A is the correct answer. I mean, sorry, B is the correct answer. Sorry. Yes, Arvind, Kavita, Swayam, giving me correct answers. It is not A. It's not considered as an essential, guys. It is considered essential. Okay. Yes. So let's go to the next one. NASA's new planet hunting telescope has found two mystery objects which are too hot to be planets and too small for being stars. Yes, B is correct, Sakshi. Yes, which is the correct one here, guys? Yes, this one is easy. Again, the use of which and that. Where do you use which and where do you use that? Correct. Ratan, Sheldon Sharma. Yes. Stanky Plank. Hi, Stanky Plank. Yes, you're new to my class. Yes. So, mystery objects that are too hot to be planets. It's not B, Mukul. Mukul B is saying which are very hot. This is an important part of the paragraph. So it is defining. You have to use that which is defining. And also too hot to be planets and too small to be stars is correct. Too hot to be stars. This two and two is good. Which are very hot and very small is not correct. Now where do you use very? Very is a high degree. Two means impossibility. So you say Mary is a very intelligent girl, but the coffee is too hot to drink. Yes, so he's telling you it's impossible that they are planets and impossible that they are stars. Not the use of very. Yes. And here which is incorrect. And also for being is incorrect. Oh, a morning session first time. Okay, guys. Yes, Tanky Plank. I take classes every day 9:30. Please join me here. Okay, answer therefore is C. Okay, I'm going to go to the next question, guys. Please do some exercises on grammar. You never know. You can get one or two questions like this, and if the options are given to you, it will be easy to mark these answers. It will take less time to do these questions than doing a parajumble, guys. So I fervently request students not to completely ignore grammar. You never know, you might get one or two questions on grammar. Also, they come in all the other management exams. whether they come in the CAT or not, other management exams में जरूर आते हैं. So some amount of practice or understanding what are the rules is important, guys. So imports too have fared better, registering only a modest 2.6% increase. Yes, what do you think is the answer, guys? Which is a sharp contrast to the double-digit decline witnessed through the current fiscal year till October. Yes, guys, what will be the answer to this one? Yes, look at the logic of the sentence. Yes, look at the logic of the sentence. Should be an increase or decrease? Yes, what do you think should it be? Should it be an increase or decrease? Guys, just look at the logic. You will find the option. Don't have to look at the grammar. No, guys, it is not E. Correct. Shivam Srivastava giving me the correct answer. It's not an increase. They have fared better, registering only a modest 2.6% decrease, which is in sharp contrast to the decline. He's telling you decline, right? So you have to look at decrease, not increase. So therefore the answer is B, guys. Simply B, because he is talking about, Ratan is saying imports too have fared better, registering on a modest 2 point in sharp contrast to the double digit decline through the financial year. Yes, guys, B is the answer. It should be a decrease. So increase versus a decline is incorrect. It will be a decrease. Yes, B is the answer, not D. Yes, these two are totally illogical. You can't say that they are fared better, decreasing modestly by or increasing modestly by is illogical. Right? Okay. Yes, economic student is able to answer the question very easily. Right. So sometimes it is pure logic and not even grammar, guys. Okay, going to the next one. India needs to move quickly on a number of fronts if it is to take its rightful place on the firmament of global science. What will be the answer? And what does firmament mean? Firmament means the sky. Yes, Pavan, very good. Wrong. No, we have to go by the grammar, right, Mukul? Yes, we have to go by the grammar and the logic. Information is right or wrong does not matter. We have to go by the logic. Yes. Pankuri is saying E. Pankuri, it can't be E because has is a compulsion. And here we are doing what is known as a conditional sentence. If introduces a condition, if this happens, this will happen. Right? So it cannot be E. Cannot be E, guys. Correct. Somebody is giving me correct answer. Swayam is giving me the correct answer. Adish, Apeksha. Yes, first of all, guys, it will be D because it is in the firmament. On the firmament is incorrect. And if I have to choose between D and E, if it has to is a compulsion. If it is to is correct. Therefore, the answer will be D. Okay? Yes. Yes, the last airbender. Hi, you are new to my class. Hi guys. All those who are new to my class, guys, I'm taking a very wonderful session in the evening, 5:30 on the special class. Please join me on the special class today on vocabulary, 5:30, guys. Vocabulary building we will do, and special classes are free. Okay, if you want to join the plus program, classes at 12:30, and I'm starting a crash course very soon. On the 1st of October, I'm starting a crash course leading up to the CAT examination, guys. If you're still keen on making it in the CAT examination, please join me on the plus platform HK10. Yes, Mukul is saying, why not A? Mukul, on the firmament is incorrect use of preposition. Yes. Ratan, it is free. Just go to Unacademy. Yes, just go to Unacademy and subscribe. No, Ratan, if you go to Unacademy and subscribe with Core 10, KAUR, you will be able to see all the special classes which are free. Yes, just download the learning app. Just download the Unacademy learning app, Ratan. Yes, and you will be able to see Unacademy learning app. Yes, I'm teaching on the Unacademy. Pankuri 12:30 to 2. Yes, I'm taking plus classes. Okay. Yes. Okay, now this entire sentence is incorrect, guys. So choose the best option. It is rather long, but it is easy to eliminate options. Yes, also look at one which is concise. Should not be very long. Yes, Adish, you can join any management exam. We are training for what we train for the CAT is for any management exam. So what you can do is, Adish, if you take a 1 year subscription, it will be good for you. Yes, because after we finish for the CAT, we'll continue to train for ZAT, SNAP, and all the other exams also. Yes. Yes, guys, look at one which is not very long. Yes, look at one which is not using too many words here, because sometimes the use of too many words is not necessary. Yes, Adish. Correct. Pavan giving me correct answer. MJ Raj, it is not. Whose real name is incorrect in E? Whose with an apostrophe means who is. So that is incorrect in E. So therefore the answer will be D. These are using too many words. Had made the first map projections. Whose name was really. Who was known by the name. Had made the first modern projections. Therefore look at D. Yes, Ratan, D is the correct answer. Stanky Plank, correct answer. Swayam, Ankush, everyone giving me D. So this is known as an error of redundancy. Don't use too many words when it is not necessary, guys. Okay? Yes, Sumit, correct answer. A is saying had made the first modern map. Here the use of this particular structure is not necessary. He made. You don't have to use the perfect tense. Perfect tense is not necessary here. So you simply say in the simple past. So you say whose real name was made the modern map projections. So we are talking about somebody in the simple past. Right? You don't need to say it is the past perfect. Good morning, Vivek. Yes, how are you, Vivek? I think you are a new student also. Guys, please go and register for the Plus program. In fact, guys, any of your friends, cousins, sisters, brothers, nieces joining an academy can use my code CORE10, KAUR10, in order to join any of the courses. We have started from the 6th standard CBSE level We train for NEET, JEE. Yes, and if you want to do the CAT examination, guys, I'm going to do a crash course. Starting from the 1st of October, I'm doing a crash course on the VARC section. So please join in, guys. Yes, Vivek, you have a question? Yes, 11th one coming up on your screens. Good morning, Arvind. How are you? Yes, the EC has brought forward measures to strengthen capital requirements for banks, improving deposit guarantees and reinforcing regulation of credit rating agencies. Yes, guys, which is the correct option here? Again, an error of parallelism. It's an error of parallelism. Correct? Yes. So look at which is the one which is most parallel. Correct, Mukul, Pawan, Saurav. Very good. It is not A. Yes, guys, answer will be D is the answer, correct. Yes, guarantees and reinforcing regulation is not parallel. Guarantees and reinforced regulation is also incorrect. And if you look at improving the deposit is incorrect here, right? Improving and to reinforce does not go. So all the verbs should use ing or all the verbs should use to plus verb. So you can't have a mix of both, right? And in the case of E also there is an error. Capital requirements, it should be of banks is not correct. It should be for banks. Even here guys, of banks is incorrect, right? And here it is not parallel. Capital requirements for banks improving deposit guarantees and reinforcing does not go. Yes, guarantees and reinforce goes. They guarantee and they reinforce. So therefore the answer is D guys. Okay? Are you able to find the errors guys? ऐसे eliminate करना है. This is how you have to eliminate. So answer is D. I'm going to go to the next question. I have given you all the explanation for this one. Scientists have found that coral reefs harbor only amazing biodiversity but are also active involved in the generation of new life forms. Yes, Arvind, CAT exam de sakte ho, but you have to work hard for the next 2 months and you cannot spend time looking for material. So if you join the Plus program, there are educators teaching all day. All day there is somebody or the other teaching you. So use my code COUR10, KAUR, and join the Plus program. We will take care of you, Arvind, don't worry. You can still take the CAT examination and you can still do well as long as your concepts are clear. And I will start with the basics and we will take class every day. Every day there is a Plus class. Yes, without fail. Okay? Yes, coming to the 12th one. Doesn't matter, Arvind. Doesn't matter. You don't have to be an engineer to take the CAT. Yes, anybody can take it. Don't think that arts का students है तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. You can take it. Don't worry. Yes, guys. Yes, so you have to see that not only but also is perfectly placed. This is the error of not only but also. Yes, so in the minute you identify the error, mark the correct one. Correct, Shivam, Apeksha, giving me correct answer. Correct. Yes, answer is C, guys. So the placement of not only do they harbor amazing biodiversity, but are also actively involved. Harbor not only is incorrect. Harboring amazing biodiversity is incorrect construction, right? They not only harbor amazing biodiversity but are also actively involved in is missing here. Harbor biodiversity amazingly is wrongly placed here. So therefore the answer is C, guys. Correct. Yes, Swayam, it cannot be harbor. Not only the position of, not only but also should be correctly placed in the sentence, then it is qualifying for both. Okay guys, so answer is C. Okay, I'm going to the 13th one. An urgent task before the policy makers is to help in sustaining the positive trends in exports over the remaining months so that the annual target of $166 to 150 billion is achieved. Yes guys, what is the error in this particular sentence? Um, on this topic on grammar, no, Vivek, I am not conducting the quiz yet because I don't have an Android phone. I have an Apple phone, and that is why that particular quiz is not working on my phone. Yes, sometimes you can shift but are also. Yes, some of them can introduce a word. Yes, correct. What you are saying is but or also is also correct. Not only harboring amazing biodiversity, but are also actively involved in it is not incorrect. Sometimes you can split the but also. Yes. Yes, Mukul, it can be split. Yes, 13th one. Yes, Vivek, maybe in a day or two, I will get a new phone to be able to do the quiz with you. Yes, I will try. Yes. Yes, Arvind, maybe the Android is greater. Yes, guys, 13th one, what is the answer? B and D are same. Yes, B and D are same, guys. There is a print error. This one was sustaining. Yeah, is to help sustaining the positive trends. So which one do you think is correct, Ratan? Yes, thank you for pointing out. Actually, there is a print error is to help sustaining. So therefore, what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be B, right? So first one does not have the is for hearing to sustain is incorrect, sustaining is incorrect, is to help sustain the positive trends. Yes, what about E? It was trends of fear, guys. Yes. So therefore answer is B. Correct. Kavita, you are right. B and D are looking same, but the point is that there was a print error here. It should have been sustaining, and trends of makes this incorrect. Okay. Yes, we'll go to the next one, guys. Former British Prime Minister Winston Churchill's handwritten menu for a special breakfast, which he ordered at his last flight as a premier to the US, is up for sale. So, which is the one that you will use? Yes. यस अरविंद पढ़ सकते हो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रखो अपने ऊपर आई विल हेल्प यू डोंट वरी यस यू कैन स्टडी एंड अभी तो एग्जाम का प्रेशर भी कम हो गया है इट्स ओनली अ 2 hour एग्जाम सो आई थिंक यू शुड टेक इट दिस ईयर you will be at an advantage versus next year where it will might go back to a 3 hour exam. Yes guys. Yes, Arvind is giving me correct answer. Mukul, it is not B because that is not a defining clause. Yes, that is not a defining clause. We have to look at which. No, it's not important what he ordered. His handwritten menu special breakfast is up for sale is enough, right? Yes. So what do you think is the answer, guys, here? Which he ordered on a last flight to the USA as premier? Pankuri, the one he ordered. The one is not necessary. Apeksha giving me correct answer. Yes, Apeksha. It's not necessary to say the one he ordered on his last flight as a premier. It's changing the meaning of the sentence. No, it is not D, guys. Ratan, it is not D. The one he ordered on his last flight is not referring to the, is not necessary. Look at the use of which and that. नहीं अभी तक आया नहीं है मुकुल. I am also waiting. Yes. Yes, E is the answer, Saurabh, which he ordered while on his last flight to the USA as premier. E is the answer, not C. Which he ordered on a last flight to the USA as premier is not the one. You have to mark E as the answer, guys. Yes, E is correct. You can't say it to the USA on his last flight as premier to the USA. This is incorrect in A. It should be on his last flight to the USA as premier. So A cannot be the answer. Stanky Plank. Got it? Yes, guys. E is the correct one and it is using which also, which is a non-defining clause. So therefore E is the answer. Got it? Okay. 15th one. Yes, 4 Russians, 1 German and a Frenchman will be cooped up in a complex of 3 windowless steel capsules at the Institute of Biomedical Problems in Moscow. Read it till here. If you find it is too long, read it till here and find the error in the sentence. अरविंद कैट एग्जाम में वर्बल सेक्शन आता है, DI आता है, क्वांट आता है. Yes, these are the 3 sections. क्वांट, DI, वर्बल. Yes. और एग्जाम अभी सिर्फ 2 घंटे का है. Yes. Yes, guys, find the answer to this one. Pankuri, it cannot be D because it is 4 Russians, 1 German and a Frenchman तो होना चाहिए ना. Yes, so we'll eliminate option. Cooped in is wrong, guys. It should be cooped up. Now choose between C, D, E. I don't know, Sakshi. अगले साल का पता नहीं है. I think they will go back to the 3 years because बहुत सालों के लिए 3 years ही था. Yes, guys. In this one, cooped up at this is wrong. Yes, so therefore the answer will be C, guys. Very good. Yes, Kaustav, Pavan, Sumit, all my students, Tanky Plank. So by the 15th one, you have got the hang of it, right, guys? Okay, we skipped one question which was very long. So I would like to go back to that and end with that particular question, guys. Try to answer this one. 5th question. Yes, try to answer the 5th one, guys. Yes, just read the underlined part. Cooped up means you're packed in one particular place. So you're stuck in one particular place, like, you know, they were cooped up like sardines, you say. That is the meaning of cooped up, Sumit. Okay? Yes. Okay, last sentence. Mukul is saying, oh my God. Mukul, just look at the underlined part. Don't worry. That is why I kept it to the last. Yes, don't worry, guys. You will still find the answer. Yes, look at it and compare and give me the answer, guys. Compare करके बताओ. Yes, I can help you guys. A and B may, although does not make sense. And so is it in C. Correct. So how fast you may found the answer. Look at that. Jitna bhi lamba ho, you are able to find the answer very fast, right? Yes, maintaining their body temperatures with a certain range despite fluctuating surrounding temperatures. This is only logical. Sanju, it's not although. Although as a conjunction is incorrect. That is all you have to see. Warm-blooded animals maintaining their body temperatures within a certain range despite surrounding temperatures, although they remain, is very wordy. It is using too many words, right? Yes. Okay, answer is D. Ratan, you're not getting this one. You're not trying to say, although their temperature is this is what is happening to them. Maintaining their body temperatures within a certain range despite fluctuating surrounding temperatures, warm-blooded animals remain more active than cold-blooded animals. This is the logic. Mukul, it is not E. Yes, Sumit, because it is not introducing a contrast. Although is not used because it is not introducing a contrast. Yes, if you read the rest of the sentence, it is not introducing a contrast at all. Okay? Yes, and E is very wordy, therefore, and it is also saying warm-blooded animals maintaining their. It's saying maintaining their body temperatures within a certain range despite fluctuating temperatures, warm-blooded animals remain more active. Here, warm-blooded animals is wrongly placed. So therefore the answer is D, guys. So you were able to do even a long sentence easily, right, guys? Okay, fine. So that is the end of today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please join me tomorrow for another very interesting class at 9:30, guys. Yes, tomorrow again 9:30 I am taking a verbal ability workshop and I will be doing all kinds of questions. There will be a passage and you will have parajumbles, you will have all kind of questions coming up in that. It's a mixed bag of questions, guys. So please join me tomorrow's class. Yes, the verbal ability section is taken by me at 9:30. There is a correction here, guys. I don't start at 9 anymore. I start at 9:30 and then in the evening it starts from 7 and goes up to 11 p.m. right? Yes, goes on hashtag cat live daily. Yes, download the Telegram app livedaily.me/chat and join the Unacademy Cat. Cat subscription is the best in the industry. Go for the live classes, interact with the educator, live polls, leader polls, test series, analysis, doubt solving sections, all will come free. Yes, Sumit, I'm doing vocabulary building today. Special class 5:30. See you at 5:30, guys. Today's special class 5:30 vocabulary building. Okay? Yes. So step one is go for the Unacademy learning apps. Install the app. Go for the plus courses. Join the CAT courses, guys. There are 2,741 courses here. What better deal will you get? Get the subscription. The CAT subscription is the best in the industry, guys. It is just 875 a month if you take a 24-month subscription, or it is 1,458 for 12 months. Use my code CORE10 to get a 10% discount. We also train for NEET, JEE 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. In fact, we have started from the 6th standard level itself, guys, now. So subscribe, like and share, hashtag #CatLiveDaily. Download the PDF, guys. You can also download the PDF, which is such a huge plus. So use my referral code CORE10